no, hold on. Hang on a second here. That's not the same. It goes from 2016 to 2020, and then something else. You're not going to get that crusty monkey to look like that with vinegar and salt. No, not that 2016, but I do see something right here. Do you notice this? That coin's already in there. It's already shiny. Why? Why would you do that? Why would you do a video showing people supposedly how to clean coins? And yeah, that doesn't make any sense. It doesn't work. It doesn't work like that. You can't restore coppers like that. That is very misleading. And here's another one.
Look at this crusty coin. Dish soap. I'm not sure what coin it is, but it looks...
Dish soap. And what is that coin? Why is it not moving when you brush it? Is it glued to the table? I mean, people in the comments have picked up on some of this. I don't understand the video. What?
Like it could be a wheat penny. The green stuff.
Green stuff? You've already put dish soap on it. I see stuff coming off of it. It's like they did something to the penny itself. Pennies don't, I mean, wheat cents don't typically look like that unless they've been in the ground for a long time, and usually that's really saved for ancient coins.
Metal polish. Toothpaste. Baking soda. Silver polish. White. It's a 1944 wheat penny. Look at this crusty coin.
They could not clean it up like that. They didn't even wipe the coin off. It's some, I don't know what they've done. CGI, editing of some sort. But watch this.
White.
The coin doesn't move at all. And it's a polished up
1944 wheat penny.
It's a polished up 1944. I highly recommend not watching these videos. I mean, if you're entertained by it and you're curious, I guess that's fine. I don't know. It's definitely not how you clean a coin, for sure. Most people, I think, in the comments see that. But it's just kind of odd to me why this is a thing. I must be becoming a dinosaur here. So all these clean coin videos, I would take them with a grain of salt and be very careful with what you're watching here. Acetone can remove tape, glue, substances on coins that shouldn't be on coins. It won't harm the coins. It will not harm the coins if you soak them in a little bit in acetone, and you have to dry them or anything with the acetone. Mint state coins, sometimes you can use Easy Est on them, but they can't be cleaned before. Like I said, I don't recommend cleaning coins. I know a lot of people are like, what about the ultrasonic cleaners? What about baking soda and all this other? The methods that I use are very quick. They don't take very long. And I've used them for over 20 some years, almost 30 years. So, that's how I do it here at the coin shop. I do buy and sell coins for a living. So I submit to PCGS and NGC and Annex. So I have to know what I'm doing, and I have to do it quickly, not some drawn out long process of boiling and all this other stuff that I do not recommend. Actually, boiling can harm a coin. And you can buy easiest on JP Corners, Wizard Coin Supply. You can buy acetone at your dollar store. Those are the two things that I recommend. I don't recommend any other ways of cleaning coins. I most certainly don't recommend watching videos of people who want to mislead or don't know what they're doing. So my name is Daniel, and you're watching Coin Help You. Please like, share, and comment. Thanks for watching my latest video, and have a great day.